Hey photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special for all you camera aficionados. The Fujifilm X S20. This mirrorless marvel is packed with features that promise to elevate your photography and videography game. So without further ado, let's dive into the in-depth review of the Fujifilm X S20. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this camera from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Let's start with what's under the hood, the heart and brain of the X S20. The X S20 boasts a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor coupled with the powerful X Processor 5. This combination delivers exceptional image quality and processing speed, ensuring your shots are sharp and vibrant. Stability and precision are crucial in photography. How does the X S20 fare in these aspects? Fujifilm doesn't disappoint here. The X S20 features a 5-axis image stabilization system, providing up to 7 stops of compensation. Coupled with intelligent hybrid AF that utilizes contrast and phase detection, you can trust this camera to capture crisp and focused shots, even in challenging conditions. Now, let's talk about how you compose your shots. The viewfinder and display. The X S20 sports a high-resolution OLED EVF with 2.36 million dots, ensuring a clear and immersive view of your scene. Additionally, the 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen with 1.84 million dots adds versatility to your shooting, allowing you to frame your shots from various angles with ease. Photography isn't just about stills. It's about capturing moments in motion. What can the X S20 do in the video department? With an ISO range of 160 to 12,800, expandable to 80-51,200, the X S20 handles low-light situations adeptly. And for video enthusiasts, it supports a maximum resolution of 6.2K at 30p. The camera comes equipped with USB Type-C, micro HDMI, 3.5mm stereo, 2.5mm remote, and a hot shoe for external accessories. Now, let's talk about the practical aspects of using the X S20, the memory, connectivity, and shooting speed. The camera supports UHS-2 SD memory cards, ensuring fast and reliable storage. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer your images and control the camera remotely. When it comes to capturing action, the X S20 offers a shutter speed of 1/4K mechanically and an impressive 1/32K electronically. Shooting speed is no slouch either, with 8 frames per second in mechanical mode and a blazing fast 30 frames per second in electronic mode. Last but not least, let's talk about practicality. Battery life, size, and weight. The X S20 impresses with a CEPA-rated battery life of 750 shots, ensuring you can shoot for extended periods without constantly worrying about recharging. And despite its powerful features, the camera maintains a compact form, measuring 5 by 3.4 by 2.6 inches and weighing in at 17 ounces. Wrapping it up, the Fujifilm X S20 is a versatile and powerful tool for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're capturing stills or diving into the world of cinematic storytelling, this camera's got you covered. What are your thoughts on the X S20? Are there any features that particularly caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more camera reviews and tech content. Until next time, happy shooting!